Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to enable the notifications when someone submits a form. So first I have created a form and then go to settings. So under responses, enable the send email notifications toggle button. So now we'll try it out. I'm filling out the details now. Now I'm submitting it. So we'll go and check in the mail. So this is my inbox and here you can see we have received a notification when I filled my response. So in this mail, there's also a PDF attached. So here you can see the response that I filled along with the date. Thank you.